Now the first step, try this command. Okay, and try command. Now this is optional, and then you should restart your computer and make the WSL2 to open. And now download the Ubuntu 2022. You can check this now. You can check the WSL, the systems like the Ubuntu 20, 22, 24, and now install the 22. Take a few minutes. Now enter your username, like AAE, and the password. Okay. Now it's successful. Then you can download the Docker. Yes, download the Docker to this URL. Download for Windows MD64. This is the common system for the PC and the notebooks. And then you can see this desktop apps, and you can set the setting and scroll to find use the WSL2 based engine. You should open it at the installing setup, and if you do not open it, you can take it in this setting screen. Yeah, and then download the cursor. Yeah, the cursor. So the cursor. A new window. Yeah, this is a cursor, and you can set up the cursor by click the settings, and you can see some informations like this. You can log in your account here, and click the tools and the MCP. Now you can find the MCP tools in here, and you can use the MCP server by this configuration file. You can make it as the this way, like this type, and the Skit. It's recommended to use this platform. It has many MCP tools integrated. You can see like this, and should go to this. Yeah, you can register and log in and see the dashboard, and you can see the many tools, MCP tools like the sequential thinking, linear memory, GitHub, and it's recommended to open the sequential thinking and the GitHub. It can make your cursor AI models more intelligent, and this can make you connected to your GitHub. Yeah, this can memory the context, and usually you can directly copy this or click the install in cursor, and you can install it in your cursor MCP server, like it will appear at here. But sometimes it will meet some problems. You can see the configuration there here. You may need to what happened? Okay, this way. If you fail to connect the MCP tools by the skit, like this is the red and it's filled, you can try to use this, the MCP streamable HTTP support, and copy this command to like this, yeah, like this, to connect to the skit, and you will find it's become the green, and you can find some tools in here. And you open it, you can see the tools, the GitHub, the memory, and the sequential thinking. Yeah. And then you can go to the rules and the commands. You can add the rules and the commands here, like the always response in Chinese or English, and always use the sequential thinking and other MCP tools. The cursor AI models will use your rules to deal with every project if you put the rules in the user rules. And you only want to make the rules effective to your current project, you can use the project rules and add the same way. Yeah. And then it's the MCP tools like here. You know, you can connect to the WSL2. You should add 2 extensions like here, and make these extensions, and you should install the Docker, the dev containers, and the WSL. Yeah, 3 extensions, and then you can click it here to find the connect to the WSL, and you can try this using the distro. You will find the versions of Ubuntu. We click the 22 we just created, and it is connecting, and wait for some minutes. So slow. Okay, fine. Now you can click the toggle AI pane to find the AI chat box here, and you can start your develop. And first you can say create a Docker container, or you can try to chat with the AI models. Docker container, and with Ubuntu 20. You can switch your model here, but I just use the auto for this project. It will, you can accept, you can see the work the AI models did, and you can click it to check what it is doing now. Okay. Give the method to use, and you can see run the container directly. It's downloading the image of the Ubuntu 22, and also you can directly download the ROS2 image and the other images you want, but here for the easy using, so I download the Ubuntu 22 image directly and build the project on the Docker Ubuntu 22 later. So slow, so slow. Okay. I stop it. I pass it until the processing is over. Okay, I'm back, and you can see the container is running now. You can now click and attach the running container. Good. You can click here. Run. It's running now. What happened? Okay. Let me try to debug by the cursor. Not to run the container. Oh. Try again. Now, up here, and click to the container, and waiting for the setting up. Now we can start the project building. connect, and still click the button, and because I'm in the middle, so I need to switch the source list. The source list to stc source. Okay, connect, and now try to load this project and run it completely. Okay, just waiting for its installation and configuration. So I will stop the record. Okay, and now it is processed successfully and finished the project. Finished all the project. It's over.